Did you know that Punjabi has 4 T sounds and tongue placement is key? First is tatta, non-aspirated, dental, soft sound where the tip of your tongue touches your upper teeth slightly like this. Tatta. For example, tara. Next is tatta. Tatta is the exact same as tatta, but this time there's a puff of air. It's aspirated. Tatta. For example, thali. Next is tanka. Your tongue curls back and touches the roof of your mouth like this. Tanka. And it's non-aspirated. For example, tamatar. Finally, you have tatta. Your tongue curls back and touches the roof of your mouth, but this time it's aspirated. So you add a puff of air to it. Tatta. For example, thand. Let's go over all 4 T sounds one by one. Tara, thali, tamatar, thand.